Dear student, pH scale used to determine the strength of acid and base. How that acid is strong or acid is weak, or how that base is strong or base is weak. Then you know what is the definition of pH scale. You know the scale which is used to determine the hydrogen ion concentration in solution. That is called a pH scale. Union according to a strength of acid and base. Dear student, we can study the strength of acid and base in earlier video lecture. What is strong acid? If the solution of acid gives the large number of pH positive ion, hydrogen positive ion, that is called strong acid. Then you know what is weak acid? If the acid solution of acid gives the less number of pH positive ion or hydrogen positive ion, then that is called weak acid. Then you know what is strong base? OH negative ions is a main component of the base there. If the solution of base gives the large number of OH negative ion, then that is called a strong base. If the base solution gives the less number of OH negative ion, then that is said to be that is weak base. H positive or hydrogen is the main component of acid. Dear student, you know here in HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, we know that is hydrogen is the main component. But you know here in base KOH, NaOH, CaOH by 2, that is OH is the main component of base. H positive ion is called a hydrogen ion and OH negative ion called a hydroxyl ion. Means in this way, what is the role of this pH scale? Look toward this diagram. That is the scale reads from 0 to 14. The totally readings on this scale, that is 0 to 14, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And look here, there is a pH of solution is a 0, then it is called a very strong acid. And if the pH of solution is 14, then it is called a very strong base. Means in this way, dear student, look here, what is the definition of pH scale? The scale which determine the hydrogen ion concentration of solution called pH scale. That is called pH scale. Look here, what is the meaning of P? P means it is the photons, means a power, and H means a hydrogen ion. Look dear student, in this pH scale, if that pH value between 0 to 7, understand carefully, if pH value between 0 to 7, then it is acidic solution, that is called acidic. If pH is 7, then that is called a neutral solution. If that pH value is 7, then it is a neutral solution. And if pH value from 7 to 14, 7.1 to 14, then that is said to be the basic solution or basic in nature. Look here dear student, pH scale reads from 0 to 14. Readings on the pH scale is start from the 0 and ends to the 14. You know, dear student, we study the commonly here, if that pH value between 0 to 7, that is acidic in nature. If pH value between 0 to 7 called acidic nature. if pH value between 0 to 7, then that is called acidic in nature. If pH value between 7 to 14, that is called a basic nature. If pH value between 7 to 14 called basic nature, means dear student, what is a meaning of 0 to 7? means 0 to 6.99, that is called acidic. There is 7.1 to 14, that is a basic. And you know, if that pH value is exactly 7, then that nature of solution is neutral. If pH value is 7, then nature of solution is neutral. Nature of solution is neutral. Means in this way, that is the common information about that pH scale. Look here, again we study, that is the scale which determine the hydrogen ion concentration of solution per pH scale. Then pH scale reads from 0 to 14. It starts from 0 and ends to 14. Then if pH value between 0 to 7, called acidic nature. If pH value between 7 to 14, called basic nature, 7 to 14. And if pH value is exactly 7, it is called nature of solution is a neutral. Means in this way, that is the common information about that pH scale. But you know, dear student, how we study again the pH scale here? You know, which acid is or which value indicate the strong acid and which value indicate the weak acid. Then which value indicate the strong base and which value indicate the weak base. Dear student, you know, if pH value is 0, then very strong acid. pH value is 0, then it is very strong acid. Then pH value 1, 2, 3, then they are said to be the strong acid. But when pH value above, that is 4, 5, 6, 6.9, then that is hydrogen ion concentration should be decreases there, and they are said to be the weak acid. For example, you know, dear student, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, they have pH 0, they are the strong acid. Hence, you know, but a citric acid which is present in line, acetic acid, they have pH lower there, then you know that is they are the weak acid. Means look here, if pH value is 0, then very strong acid, then the acid is said to be the very strong acid. If pH value is 14, it is a strong base. pH value is 14, it is strong base. If that NaOH, KOH are the strong base, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are the strong base. Means look here, if pH value is 14, then very strong base. pH value is 14, then it is very strong base. You know, if that 14, 13, 12, they are the strong base. If that from 7.1, 8, 9, they are the weak base. Means in this way, look here, that is increase in hydrogen H positive ion concentration from 7 to 0. Start from 7 to 0, that hydrogen ion concentration should be increases. hence acidic nature should be increases. Look toward from 7 to 14, the decrease in H positive ion and increase in OH negative ion means that indicates the basic nature, and basic nature of solution should be increases from 7 to 14. Means at the top level a strong base at a 14 here, at the starting at a 0 it is the strong acid is there. Means in this way, dear student, you know that is a pH scale is a such instrument here we can use to determine the strength of acid and base according to the pH value on that pH scale. And you know here pH scale acts as a universal indicator here to indicate the strong acid, weak acid or strong base and weak base there. Dear student, if there is a one question on the pH scale, question on pH scale, you can draw this diagram carefully and write a notes on that pH scale, then you should get a full credit and out of marks. We can indicate this OH because OH is a main factor of base, KOH, NaOH and etc. That is from 7 to 14 that indicates the OH, means OH negative ion concentration increases. Here we indicate the H positive ion because hydrogen is a main component of acid, just HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, means increase the hydrogen ion concentration from 7 to 0 and increase the OH negative ion concentration from 7 to 14. Means in this way, dear student, that pH scale is used to indicate the nature, it is acidic or basic, as well as it indicates the strength of acid, if that is strong acid or weak acid, or if that is strong base or weak base. Means in this way, that is the topic of pH scale here. Dear student, in my next video lecture, we can study that is chemical reactions of acid and base. A very important topic there. Up to this video lecture, we can study what is acid, what is base. Then a main and important topic of indicator. Indicator means to indicate the nature of substance solution, if that acidic or basic. Then types of indicator here. Then universal indicator, that is the pH scale. And here universal indicator present in form of solution also. If we test the solution, different solutions with that solution of universal indicator, that should be change their colors according to their pH. For example, if that 0 is the pH, then it is dark red. And if that 14 is the pH, then it is a violet color. If that dark red color is there, then that indicates the very strong acid. If that violet color at 14 there, it indicates the very strong base. Means in this way, dear student, that is the topic of pH scale is a very, very important topic. In my next video lecture, we can study, that is we can start one new topic of this chapter, that is a chemical properties of acid and bases, or a chemical reactions of acid and bases. Hence, dear student, watch my another videos and all videos to learn the total topic, because you can write a notes from this my video lecture, you can draw the diagram, and just these video lectures are just according or similar to their offline classroom work. Hence, please watch my all videos, and thanks for watching this video. Dear student, to subscribe my YouTube channel Science Vision with Mandekar sir for watching all my videos and learn total topic. Thanks for watching this video.